Hi, thank you for watching this Amherst alarm tutorial video. My name's Joe. Today we will be going over how to change the battery in the PG9922 wireless glass break detector. Before we get started, make sure you call Amherst Alarms Monitoring Response Center to notify them that you will be checking the battery in your wireless device. This will cause a brief tamper alarm to appear on your keypad and also notify the Monitoring Response Center of a tamper. Let's get started. To remove the battery, you grab it in the center and just lift it out. You'll want to replace it with a lithium CR123A 3-volt battery. To replace it, you'll want to set it directly in there with the positive end pointing toward the bottom of the device and the negative end pointing toward the top. There's also indications on the board of which way it should point. Push it directly down. Then to reconnect the device to its base pad, you'll want to set it in the top first and then push it in. It only goes one way, so you shouldn't have to force it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this Amherst Alarm educational video. If you have any questions, please call 716-632-4600. Thank you.